Hello everyone, this is John from Z-Wave Tecnologia, Brazil, and I would like to introduce you to our products. We launched this about 4 years ago. Flex Automation is our brand, and everything works with Z-Wave, so it's several lighting panels. You basically have a simple application in an iPad that you can control individually or get a feedback of all the devices at once, and we can control individually or together, and we can also control shades, the shade mode. We have a real-time feedback on this one. We can also control door locks. And in this show, we are also introducing our smart energy client. It's basically the same kind of a flex panels, but with power metering. So we can have in real time the voltage, current consumption, and we have little gauge. We can control everything here and get a real status of what's the power consumption and reduce vampire effects of your house, and you can also have a floor plan of your home. You can control shades and lighting. If you need more information about this, just get to our website www.zwave.com.br.